Imagine this: you filed your income tax return honestly, but later the income tax officer adds some extra income to your file and says you owe more tax. You feel it's totally unfair. Now what? Do you directly go to the High Court? No. The next step is Appellate Tribunal. Section 2 subsection 8 of the Income Tax Act defines Appellate Tribunal. It means the tribunal that's been set up under section 361 of the Act. The Appellate Tribunal is like a special tax court created only to handle tax appeals. It's officially called the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal or ITAT. When you disagree with decision made by the assessing officer or even the commissioner of income tax, you can take your case to this tribunal. It's like saying, I think this order is wrong. I want a fair second look. So, the Appellate Tribunal acts as an independent body that reviews tax disputes between taxpayers and the tax department. The tribunal is not just random officers, it's made up of two types of experts. Judicial members, usually people with a law background, like judges or lawyers. Accountant members, experts in finance and accounting, often with experience in tax matters. Together, they hear both sides, the taxpayer and the department, and then pass a judgment. Let's take an example. Suppose you are a business owner. The income tax officer reviews your return and say you have hidden rupees 5 lakh income. You know it's not true and you have proof. You first appeal to the commissioner, but even that does not go in your favor. Now your next stop is Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Here your case will be reviewed by a judicial member and an accountant member. They will look at all your evidence again, and if they find the officer was wrong, they will cancel that extra tax demand. The Appellate Tribunal is not a regular court like the High Court. It's special tax court. It is the final fact finding authority in income tax matters. If you are still unhappy with the tribunal's orders, only then you can approach the High Court or even the Supreme Court later on.